Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your language in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings option. This will lead you to a new tab containing your settings. In here, look for the languages section and click on add languages. This pop-up will appear where you will click on the field next to languages to open this drop-down menu. If you see the language you want to add, just click on it. But if not, click on Search More at the very bottom of the drop-down. Next, in this next pop-up, look for the language you want to add by typing it in this search bar above. For our example, I'm going to click on Dutch, and then it will be added to your languages. If you want your customers to be able to translate your website into Dutch, click on the checkbox next to the website here in this Websites to Translate prompt. Then click on Add down here. Next, this pop-up will appear asking if you want to translate your whole Odoo account into Dutch. If you want, then click on the Switch to Dutch option, and if not, just click on Close. And then lastly, click on Save at the top left corner to save your changes. And that is how you can change your language in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.